Viewers, for Rahul Gandhi, caste census has been a constant poll plank during elections. When the centre decided to include caste in its upcoming census, the Congress was quick to take credit. In fact, on Saturday, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy was in Delhi for the Niti Aayog meet, and he said that Telangana model catalyzed the national caste census. He not only claimed credit, but even announced that his government stands ready to support the centre to execute a caste census, as it has successfully completed this ambitious and transparent exercise. But viewers, you would recall how several discrepancies emerged when details of the survey came out in February 2025. The government then decided to conduct another round of caste survey to cover people who could not participate earlier, to cover remaining 3.1% of the households, because after the first round in February, over 96.9% households were covered. Now, we have exclusive details of the findings of Phase 2 of the survey. Despite the fresh exercise, all households could not be covered. In total, only 98% of the households could be covered. We've also learned that the remaining 2% of the households did not participate in the survey, as it was a very complicated process with 57 odd questions. This includes a lot of unnecessary questions as well. We have more details of the Telangana caste survey. Credit is being claimed by the Congress party, but the survey has not been conducted properly. Over 150 crores have been spent, yet discrepancies remain. Now, this has led to political war of words. Listen in to who said what.
अगर तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट चाहती है कि 42% रिजर्वेशन देना है ओबीसीज को, तो उसके लिए एक तरीका होता है, उसके लिए अल्टीमेटली नतीजा मैटर करता है, क्या करोगे उसके साथ वो मैटर करता है। तो आज अगर आप देखेंगे 2021 में 2021 में व्हेन वी वर इन गवर्नमेंट, वी हैड रिजॉल्व्ड बोथ इन असेंबली एंड काउंसिल रिक्वेस्टिंग यूनियन गवर्नमेंट to hold OBC census along with the national census. Yes. This was a resolution passed in 2021 by the KCR government. So today we are thankful to the union government for coming forward. But the fact is, ultimately, a census के साथ करेंगे क्या? Reservation बढ़ाएंगे या कुछ और उनके लिए कुछ उपलब्धियां मिलेंगी? क्या होगा इसका? अगर केंद्र सरकार भी बताएगी, फिर जाके I think the country's OBCs and other sections also will be happy.
Congress, when in opposition, they talk of OBC census, caste census, reservation for OBCs and whatnot. And Rahul Gandhi, day in and out, speaks much about Jitna Abadi, Utna Issa. Magar, when they were in power, I would like to question Rahul Gandhi ji and Revanth Reddy, the present Chief Minister of Telangana. And they were in power for more than 60 years. Since independence, Nehru ji actually denied caste census in the year 1951. Now, what has taken place in Telangana, it is not census, it is only a survey.
हम 4 फरवरी 2024 को हम काम शुरू किया है। पहले कैबिनेट किया है, बाद में फिर असेंबली में रेजोल्यूशन लगाया ऐसे मिनिस्टर ओबीसी की हैसियत पे। वहाँ से फिर हमने डेडिकेशन कमीशन, बीसी कमीशन डाल के इसका कार्रवाई हमने शुरू किया। थोड़ा हैदराबाद में थोड़े लोग, बड़े लोग, टीआरएस के लोग, बीजेपी के लोग इनको फेल करने के लिए बहुत कोशिश किया है, मगर गांव के लोग और बाकी जितने भी इसका चाहने वाला है वो पूरा मदद दिए। तो आज हम 98% डाटा हमने तेलंगाना पास, एम्पेरिकल डाटा जो पब्लिक या कोर्ट कुछ किधर भी गए तो भी हम एक साइंटिफिक मोड पे हमने डाटा कलेक्ट किया है। देश में बीजेपी का सरकार भी क्या सेंसस में करने के लिए जो फैसला लिया है उसका इंस्पिरेशन कांग्रेस तेलंगाना सरकार है।
All right, breaking news coming in, new terminology, old tensions. Caste politics is back in top gear. Congress veteran Digvijay Singh has waded into the caste row now, quoting Rahul Gandhi to launch a fresh attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as the RSS, from de-Dalitification to de-Obisification. Rahul's new coined phrases are being used to accuse the BJP of systematically sidelining backward communities. The Congress is clearly upping the ante, with words becoming weapons in the political battlefield. So that's the big breaking news coming in at the moment. Remember, this is after Rahul Gandhi released a video where he used words like de-Dalitification to de-Obisification. Now, Digvijay Singh of the Congress party using these very phrases to accuse the BJP of systematically sidelining backward communities. The Congress is clearly, ladies and gentlemen, upping the ante as far as caste is concerned. My colleague Govind is with us to get us an understanding on this. Govind, Digvijay Singh, of course, using words as weapons, towing the line what Rahul Gandhi has done as far as this entire caste census row is concerned. What more do you have?
Yeah, absolutely. You know that it's not the first time, even before, whether it's Rahul Gandhi or Digvijay Singh, have been favoring, in fact, for the caste census. And when the decision was taken by the government for the caste census, they just declared, in fact, the victory of their demand, in fact. And now Digvijay Singh is saying that this is what a kind of conspiracy which has been running, in fact, of BJP government, that they are just keeping the backward caste behind, in fact, in the stream of the development in the nation. So definitely
Right.
this time Digvijay Singh yet again repeating the same words which have been spoken by in fact Rahul Gandhi, and he is in favor of caste census. That is why he is just making this kind of clarification and justification that this is what BJP has been making a kind of conspiracy for keeping the
Absolutely.
backward behind. in
Govind,
fact,
so
and
the
now
political war of words continues. Let's wait and watch how the BJP responds to these new phrases that Rahul Gandhi has invented against them. But right now, viewers, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on the other side.